Have you ever stopped to consider the implications of a high-stakes, airborne game of cat and mouse? Well, that's precisely what unfolded in the skies over Syria recently, as Russian fighter jets started to harass US drones. A new chapter in the complex world of aerial warfare, and a testament to the tension that continues to simmer on the global stage. Our tale begins on a seemingly ordinary day, July 6th, when the calm was shattered by the roar of Russian fighter jets. These weren't on a routine patrol, their target, US drone aircraft. With precision and audacity, the Russian jets engaged in dangerous maneuvers, flying uncomfortably close to the American drones. The US drones, caught off guard, were forced to take evasive actions. This high-altitude dance, while captivating, was far from a friendly encounter. The Air Force confirmed the incident, a stark reminder of the tension that exists in these contested skies. But this story is more than just a dangerous game played in the skies over Syria. It's a testament to the evolving nature of modern warfare. Drones, once a novelty, have become an integral part of the military strategy for many nations. Russia, as we know, has been preparing for a drone-filled battlefield, training troops to use and counter these unmanned marvels of technology. Meanwhile, the US has been at the forefront of drone technology, with the MQ-9 Reaper, a combat-proven drone, being a prime example. However, America's adversaries aren't far behind. Iran, for instance, unveiled the Mohajer-10, a drone that closely resembles the MQ-9 Reaper. Yet experts maintain that these drones lack the same capabilities as their American counterpart. So what does this mean for the future of aerial warfare? Drones and fighter jets, electronic warfare tactics, and the ever-present threat of escalation. It's a complex and rapidly evolving battlefield, one that demands our attention. To summarize, the recent event of Russian fighter jets harassing US drones over Syria is a clear indication of the growing tensions and the changing face of warfare. With drones becoming an integral part of military strategy and the advent of electronic warfare tactics, the battlefield is evolving faster than ever. As we move forward, it's crucial to keep an eye on these developments, for they shape not just the future of warfare, but the dynamics of global power.